Well, we'll go round the other side.
I look really cold. I really wanted to pick this up and film it because it's quite creepy. Like we're walking along the beach and then I look over there and I'm like, oh my god, looks like a table's in the middle of the sand and it's like where all the water comes in, so it's going to be covered by the water when the tide's in. So like, who in their right mind brings a table down, thinks, okay, I'm going to put it in the middle of the beach, that's effort, and then leaves it there? Unless it's like paranormal and like aliens put it there or something. I'll show you what I'm on about now. They're like proper stuff.
Back by there, but it's all wet by people.
So rather than picking the dogs up and putting them in safety.
No, I do.
It's like I've got mittens on, I'll try and point. Okay, that's not working at all. It's like by my finger now. Where that bird is. Should we go explore? What do you think?
Go on. Lola's just standing in it. Hey! Here we go, big jump. Oh, looks cool though. If you walk straight down, you'll be able to get by the table.
I'm so scared now, it's quite like deep water.
That's very dangerous. All this. When it focus, just to see that. Madi, a wild jump.
Tide's gonna
Not on the
We gotta move! We're gonna be stranded otherwise.
On camera, it just looks like nothing. Yeah, I don't know which way to... Oh, here we go. This... Lola, what are you doing? She's like, I still... Oh, what is she doing? Drinking Stella. Lola! You're not a wimp like Plodder. Calm down, calm down.
Lola, do you not like seaweed?
Calm down, it's
What
okay.
is it? Not first on seaweed.
Come on. Lola, what about me? What about me? Whoa, Lola, wow. Whoa. Hey, we've made it. We're all the way down there. Where are you going? Oh. I just follow Lola now. Yay, we're out. Happy?
Yeah, I was panicking. I thought we were going to be like stranded.
Happy, Bubbles?
Bubble looks petrified.
You spoiled this one. Nearly caught that on camera though. I want you to... Oh, Lola, you missed out. Look at Lola's like, nah. I'm interested in that plant.
You got it?
No, I've got you.
Don't let it fall.
Take my hand. I've got... No, what? What?
Like an old lady.
There's our car up there. Oh Lola, I was just about to record you and what?
Oh my gosh, yellow. I feel quite sick. No, sorry.
Spit like a woman.
Yeah.